Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill Mickelmurray. Beep, 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 December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. 1, 2, 3. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. 1, 2. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me.